Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about osmosis. So what is osmosis? Osmosis is when there are a lot of things taking up a small space and then some of those things move to a less crowded space through a barrier. When it comes to osmosis, a barrier is something that traps some of things but not others. Osmosis needs a separation or barrier with high concentration of something on one side and low concentration on the other side. There are lots of barriers in your body. One example of a barrier is the lining of your lung. The barrier of your lungs lets some things in and out, but not everything. You want air to move freely in and out of your lungs, but not other things like blood. Instead of people, osmosis looks at the concentration of molecules. Molecules are the smallest unit anything is made of. Everything is made up of different kinds of molecules. For example, paper is made up of repeating molecules. If you rip paper over and over until you get the smallest pieces you can, it could still be divided smaller and smaller. Scientists have divided paper down to repeating units called molecules that are all the same. These molecules cannot be divided any further. There are many molecules in a piece of paper. Each individual molecule links to another, repeating millions of times to make a piece of paper. So, osmosis is a simple natural process that occurs all around and inside us, and it's one on which our lives depend. The process is this: in a solution, molecules of a solvent, such as water, migrates across a barrier from the side containing a lower concentration of particular solute to one containing a higher concentration of it, provided the barrier allows only the solvent molecules to pass. Osmosis requires no external force, and the reason why it occurs remained a mystery until the mid-20th century. According to the accepted explanation, osmosis occurs because a solvent molecule seeks to distribute themselves equally on both sides of the barrier. I hope so you got this simple concept about osmosis. For more informative and latest video, kindly subscribe my channel.